Hello friend, here we introduce how to use the M8 Microneedling RF machine. Firstly, we need to use a card and to active. Okay, and now we can operate. I can introduce to you about the screen first. Okay, now we introduce the screen and the handles for you. Firstly, for this machine, it has 3 handles. This is the face handle, and this is the body handle. Here we also have the coat hammer. And on the screen, you can also see this part is for face, and this part is for body. About the face and the parameter, I can introduce to you here. Firstly, for the face, about the energy, we suggest you can use it start from 60 watt to start. And here, you can adjust the dips for facial treatment. This part, you can adjust the pulse, but for face, we have only 1. And here, I suggest you always use this one will be okay, because it shows how many times the pins will output. So we suggest you can keep this, will be okay. And by this part, it shows for body. About this energy, we suggest you can start it from 100 watt. And here, you can also adjust the dips for the treatment of body. The deepest can get into 7 millimeter. And when is this data, here you can also adjust the pulse, it with 3 pulse. Or if you reduce it to 4 or 5 like this, it will be 2 pulse. And here, it also shows the frequency. Here we suggest you keep this will be okay, and it will output by 1 time, and it's more safe. Okay friend, now we show you how to do the treatment. And firstly, we introduce about the facial. And here show you how the facial handle work. We need to press the handle. And will output the pins and energy. Okay, and then also show you when we do the treatment for our facial. And firstly, for our forehead and our eyes, we use the dips no more than 1 millimeter. And when we do for our nose and our cheek, we use the energy no more than 1.5 millimeter. And when we do the treatment for our cheek, we use the energy no more than 2.5 millimeter. Generally, we use 1.0 or 1.5 millimeter will be okay. Okay, now we show you how to do the treatment for body. Firstly, we introduce how the handle work when we choose it. And we also need to press the handle, and the pins will output. Okay, and when we do the treatment for body, especially for our cellulite removal or loose skin, we use the dips no more than 3.5 millimeter, or generally we use 3.0 to 3.5 millimeter. And if we have much fat on our body, we can use it no more than 4.0 millimeter. That's the suggestion. And when we do for body, we can also use it for different layers, and it can also do a much better result. Okay, and now we prepare to do the operation. Firstly, we need to do a face clean, and then we need to use numbing gel to put to treatment area. Generally, we use a numbing gel to our face 30 to 40 minutes will be okay. Okay, then we clean the numbing gel on the treatment area, and we use disinfection before the treatment. And use this type will be okay. Okay, now we adjust the parameter to do the treatment. Here we start with the energy with 60 watt. And about the dips, we use it start with 1.5 millimeter to operate this machine. Okay, and then we do the treatment. We can start from the middle part like here, and then to do the treatment, we need to use our handle here, touch our skin totally. No empty, you need to mention here, because if you have any empty, maybe it will hurt our surface. Touch our skin totally to do the treatment. Okay, and here need to notice that the pins need to finish, and then we move to another part. until we finish the half of our face. Okay, and then when we do the treatment for our forehand, we can adjust the parameter. The dips, we can use it from 0.8 millimeter to do the treatment. At this part, no more than 1 millimeter, that's the suggestion, to do the treatment for our forehand. Okay, and after the treatment, we can put some collagen products or essentials to treatment area to help our skin to regrowth. And here need to notice the you after the treatment within 1 week. We need to wear water mask every day to protect our skin. And we need to protect our skin from sunshine. Remind to add some more water essentials to our skin. Continue to make the water mask like this with 1 week every day. We can do this. And the first 3 days, don't make up on our treatment area.
Okay, sir.
Same way, when we do the treatment for our body area, we need to clean our treatment area first and then put numbing gel. And then we need to use disinfection to this treatment area and then do the treatment will be okay. And then we can use the largest hand to do the treatment for body, because for her, she is a little slim. So we use the parameter with 3 millimeter to do the treatment. And when we do the treatment, we suggest you can start with this parameter and then you can add more according to your customer's situation. And then we do the treatment. Here need to notice the you. The hand need to touch our skin totally and there is no empty. Until the treatment for one shoot finished, and then you move to another part to do the treatment. When we finish the treatment for our body area, we can put some regrowth products to this treatment area. And then here also need to notice you for the treatment area within 3 days, we cannot touch water. And we also need to protect our treatment area from sunshine.